Hi team, hope everything's going well. I just want to record this short video to show you the discussions and some of the things that I have found out that hopefully you can apply to your classes as well. So within the discussions, there are lots of different options that are available, and some of them are very similar to what we had in Blackboard, like the subscriptions, but it's slightly different in the way that it works as part of Brightspace. But I have here the discussion forum for my class, and a quick way to be able to tell if I have discussions that are, not viewed yet. I'll be able to quickly see that here, but you can also filter it out. So rather than having items, being filled up depending on the number of discussions that you have, you can just click on that to filter out only the topics that are available that still have items that are unread. And then if you click on it again, it'll just remove that filter. On top of that, the feature that I find most useful is to be able to subscribe so that I can get emails in regards to specific things. Like the general questions is something that I would recommend everyone subscribing to. So you just click on it and then click on subscribe. Then once you do that, you have different options. So you can have this notification shown in a mini bar. You can have like an instant notification or have it as part of like a summary of activity that's going to be emailed to you. Typically, when it comes to the general questions, I want to make sure that I do answer them right away. So I'll select the send me an instant notification and then click on subscribe. Once you do that as well, depending on the discussions and the number of individuals you have, you might want to select the current modules and subscribe to them as well. And you can also see what you've subscribed to by clicking on subscriptions up here. And by doing so, you can also determine what your default notification is. So if you want to only show up in the mini bar, if you want to have like an instant notification, or have it as like a summary of activity that's sent out once a day. And then you can see that specific details here of which ones you're subscribed to, and you'll be able to click on that and then remove that subscription as well. So there's a couple of different options that can be pretty handy. If you click on change your notification details, there's additional components that you can change where you can like register in your phone, so it can like send you a message when it has that. You could have like a summary of activities for each of the courses. So if you want a daily just summary of what everyone has done at certain times that you have, and then certain items that you want instant notifications are. So most of these I would recommend just to keep them as being off, but depending on how you're managing your classes, like for example, if you have like due dates that are coming up and you want to make sure that you're posting an announcement or reminding students of it, you can go ahead and click the option there. But being that most of our assignments are due on Sunday, it's not as important for that purpose there. So hopefully that helps you out in regards to just some of the key things in regards to discussions and the subscriptions that can be helpful for you.